In 2012, Tesla redefined what we thought a car could be. Now they're set to do the same with something that's in your pocket every day: the smartphone. This isn't just another device. This is the Tesla Pi Phone 2025, and it's poised to disrupt an industry that's been playing it safe for far too long. Let's dive into why the Tesla Pi Phone isn't just another smartphone. It's a leap into the future, designed not to compete with the likes of Apple or Samsung, but to render the competition irrelevant. Rumored to be crafted from an advanced alloy and high durability glass, the Pi Phone's design screams sophistication. But it's not just about looks. The body is engineered to withstand extreme conditions, perfect for adventurers and, surprisingly, for Mars. Yes, Mars. You heard that right. Elon Musk's vision ties the Pi Phone directly to SpaceX's mission. It's designed to be functional even on Mars, thanks to built-in satellite connectivity. Tired of losing signal? The Pi Phone could change the game with integrated Starlink support. Imagine seamless global coverage. Whether you're hiking in the Rockies or driving through the Mojave Desert, you'll stay connected. No dead zones, no dropped calls, just pure, uninterrupted connection. This isn't a feature, it's a revolution. While other phones depend on cell towers, the Pi Phone reaches beyond, straight to the stars. How often do you worry about battery life? Tesla's solving that with built-in solar charging. Yes, the phone charges itself under natural light. Perfect for road trips, outdoor adventures, or even just forgetting your charger at home. Pair that with a rumored ultra-efficient battery, and you're looking at days, yes, days, of usage on a single charge. This one's speculative, but mind-blowing, literally. There's buzz about potential integration with Neuralink, Musk's brain-computer interface technology. While full mind control might be years away, imagine controlling certain functions with simple gestures or intuitive thoughts. It's like having a device that knows what you need before you even tap the screen. Own a Tesla? The Pi Phone could become your ultimate companion. Think of it as an extension of your car, controlling everything from climate settings to autopilot features. Forget fumbling for keys, your phone will unlock your Tesla as you approach. This seamless integration could redefine what we expect from a smartphone-car relationship. Of course, what's a smartphone without a killer camera? Rumors suggest the Pi Phone will feature cutting-edge camera tech, optimized for astrophotography, perfectly fitting for a phone designed to work beyond Earth. Think crystal clear night skies, ultra-detailed landscapes, and AI-enhanced processing that rivals professional DSLRs. Powered by Tesla's custom silicon, the Pi Phone isn't just fast, it's next level. We're talking about a device optimized for AI, machine learning, and high-performance applications. Whether you're a gamer, creator, or just someone who hates lag, this phone could be your dream device. Now, here's the big question. How much will it cost? While Tesla's known for premium products, there's speculation the Pi Phone will be competitively priced, possibly undercutting major flagship phones. Why? Because it's not just about profit, it's about market disruption. The Tesla Pi Phone 2025 isn't just another gadget. It's a bold statement challenging the status quo of what a smartphone can be. Whether it lives up to the hype remains to be seen, but one thing's certain: the future of smartphones just got a lot more interesting.